Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present my paper about the design and development bending part bend 42. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Firman Shah Azharul, and I have team. The first is Mrs. Rahmawati, the second Mr. Dian Ariana, and the third, Mr. Vilarso. So, I want to introduce of abstraction. The stamping process in making pad bend is still less efficient because the bending process still has to be done with 4 strokes. This causes the production time is quite long, so that the level of productivity is not optimal. Therefore, it needs to be designed to make a bending device that is opened with pneumatic power with capacity 1 megapascal. The tool is designed and made is so bending the bend 42 but can be in a 1 stroke. By making these tools, it is hoped that the work process can be more efficient so that work productivity will increase. Ladies and gentlemen, this is bending part 42. Bending part is 42. This is the climb of the motorbike. Yeah, it's a motorbike. And then this is, I want make a choice that is based on the morphological matrix. Yeah. And the first, I take this number 2, and the third, this number 2 is material. And there is second, number 3, and then number 3, and then number 2, and the end of that is number 2. This is based on the morphological matrix table. So this is about result of pneumatic system calculation recapitulation. The first is force 196.2 Newton, and this is 150 milli. And then calculation of force piston to 334.176 Newton. That is the bite compressor 0.131161, and then that is tank producer no 0.14865 horsepower. That is a result of pneumatic system calculation and recapitulation. So There is how to make the part bend 42. This is a form of part bend 42. And then there is the trial. Yeah, we trial time analysis table, lower maximum point, and the first second, 1 second, 1 second, and dimension is 42.1 milli, and the second 42.05 milli, and 3 second 42 milli, 4 second 42 milli, and 5 second 42 milli, 6 second 42 milli. That is a trial time analysis table from lower until maximum point. And then there is a graph analyze a trial time. That is a dimension, and that is a time. There is a table of production cost of bending tools. Bending tools. Yeah. There is a table of bending tools, and that total the cost is bending tool is 1,723,845 rupiahs. That is total bending tool. And then there is a before calculating the resulting efficiency before and after. Before and after. Yeah. If before 14 second 28,800, and formula cycle time, that is 2057 pace. Yeah. If the after only 5 second, 5 second, that is 5,760 piece. 60 piece. That is 5 second after and before 14 second. Piece at the 14 seconds 257 piece, and 5 seconds 5,760 piece. That is after and before calculating resulting efficiency. Yeah, efficiency. So this is a conclusion. After designing and calculating the component and materials needed to move the bending punch towards die bending, so that there is a pressure on part bend 42, the result can be concluded. 1. The way this bending tool works is to use the wind power generated by the compressor machine. The air from the compressor is used to move the piston in the air cylinder. The movement of the piston is what will press the part bend 42 to produce desired shape. And two, the pneumatic cylinder use the design of the bending band 42 tool is a pneumatic cylinder with the SMC cylinder CK 1A63 until 125Y type with a maximum pressure specification of 1.0 megapascal, a step length of 150 milli. And three, the construction made in the design of the bending band 42 uses SS41 iron metal with a dimension of 270, 300, and 550 milli. And for the advantage of the bending band 42 tool is that it can increase the work efficiency by changing from 4-stroke to 1-stroke. I think it's enough. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.